What is it? What? Oh my god! I don't know. Is it Camilo? Camilo is the dog? Dog? Dad. What's the gender gonna be? So what's the baby gender gonna be? This baby is gonna be so cute. Who do you think it's gonna look like? Camilo or you? Ah, okay. So when's the baby's due date? But you just got pregnant, right? You don't have a pregnant belly yet. I'm so excited to meet it. Am I gonna be Aunt Marigold or something? I don't know. Just ignore it. Uh, I'll get you to the hospital. Come with me. I'm taking you to the hospital. Come with me. Come on. Time to get my car. Don't worry, Flower. I'll get us there quickly as I can. Ah! I feel like I'm gonna crash. Ah! I just crashed. Leave the car. Let's go. No, I just crashed the car, and we're so close to the hospital. You're about to give birth to a baby in like any second. Don't worry, Flower, we're so close. We're here. Well, hello, ma'am. How will I help you? She's about to give birth to a baby. We need your help. Okay, I'm gonna have to ask you to take her into the surgery room. Okay, Flower, sit down here. And all you need to do is push, 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 push. She's out! Flower, I'll hold. Do you want me to hold her? Him, I mean. Okay. Hi, cutie. How are you, Flower? Do you want your kid? Okay, here. Mm-hmm. Isn't he cute? You gave birth early. How's that feel?
Yes, I did.
Hey, Flower, wouldn't it be crazy if I just left this neighborhood and you did too?
Sophia, this is your new brother. I'm Matt nephew.
He's so cute, but are you gonna give me attention anymore?
I'll split the attention equally.
But what's gonna happen when he gets older?
I don't know. That's up to him to decide.
Do you wanna hold him, Sophia?
Sophia?
Yes.
Okay.
Anthony, come downstairs. Flower gave birth. Coming. I'm here. Oh, he's so cute.
So, Anthony, what do you think of him?
He's so cute. But what is Marigold to him?
Huh?
What is Marigold to him?
Marigold's the aunt. Marigold is an aunt to him, and you're an uncle to him.
Yay!
And Sophia, you're technically a sister to him.
Yeah, but I'm his aunt, right?
Yeah.
But technically I'm an older sister. Yay! I'm finally an older sister because Mom's still pregnant.
Yep.
Wait, Flower, does your mom know?